First of all, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? I wish, let's say, everything will be okay with you. And I wish, let's say, during this workshop, we can see something new and we can apply what we will see during this workshop. Okay, the title of my workshop is what? Is sums of roots of powers, okay, of polynomial equations. Okay, so here my best teachers, you already know how to solve let's say the quadratic equation, so no need let's say to solve when using the quadratic formula. So let's investigate it in inventing or discovering new ideas. Let's say new theorems. Okay, new theorems. Okay, so here my best teachers, you are here in the workshop. During the workshop, you are going to investigate really something new, and then you are going to discover yourself and to discover that you can do the impossible. You can believe in your belief. You can believe in the fields of your thinking and never go so far. Just focus on what will be given and try to integrate, try to, let's say, to engage yourself in the following context. Okay, so first of all, as beginning, we told that we are going to work out the sum of roots of powers of polynomial equations. So let's given that the quadratic equation. Okay, so here we are going to use equations. Okay, so for example, x to the power 2 negative x to the power 2 negative L0 Q so L0 Q capital L 0 in Q. Q here means, my best teachers, the power, okay, the index. Okay, so plus what? Plus L1 Q plus L1 Q. Okay, equal what? Effectively equal 0. So you already know how to use the quadratic formula. Okay, so let's first of all equate the coefficient of x in x to the power 2. First of all, let L0 equal 3 and L1 equal 2. Okay, so here, my best students, we can write this quadratic equation as the following. Okay, so it will be what? X to the power 2 negative x to the power 2 negative 3x, okay, plus 2. Okay, so our target is not to work out or figure out the roots of this quadratic equation. Our target is what exactly? Is to look for the sum of powers of this polynomial equation of this polynomial of with the to the power 2. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give some formula of mine in order to work out, let's say, the delta indexes n. For example, هنا is going to be what? It will be delta. I'm going to use the symbol of delta. Okay, then I'm going to erase this one. Okay, so first of all, move to this delta index, yes, delta n equal into parentheses, okay, -1, and also I'm going to insert this one. Okay, this one I'm going to erase it. This one, yes. So -1. Okay, minus the parentheses, -1, close the parentheses, and to the power n. Okay, then I'm going to erase this one. Okay, and here n negative n -1. Okay, so plus L0 Q multiply by delta n. Okay, and here the index is going to be n-1. Okay, here my best teacher, you have first of all to calculate delta 2. If you would like to calculate delta 0, then delta 1, delta 0 always equal to 1. Okay, this is, we told what? We told -1. Okay, -1, close parentheses, erase this, and this is n. Okay, so we told that delta 2 equal what? When so right, when n equal 2. Okay, when n equal 1. Okay, so what we have? We'll have what exactly here? We'll have what? -1, this is n, so 1, delta 1 means n equal 1. Okay, equal -1 to the power 1, so right as it is, plus 1 minus 1, okay, plus L0Q delta 1 minus 1. You can note this term is going to be equal to 0. Why? We can write as L0Q, negative L0Q, so copy, it will be what? L negative L0Q plus L0Q equal 0. So we can note that L0 in fact equal to what? Equal 1. Okay, then move to the next, delta 2. So right here, copy this and paste it here. So delta 2 n equal to, I'm going to calculate directly, equal -1 to the power 2, it will be 1. Then L n minus 1 q when n equal to 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Okay, then plus L0 plus L0 q delta 1 minus 1. Okay, that delta 1 minus 1 is gonna be what? Is gonna be 0. This it will be equal to, okay, equal to, copy, paste. So So equal L1 plus L0Q times 0. Okay. Why? Because delta 1 always gonna be equal 0. So move to delta 2. Now delta 2 equal delta 2 خلاص we finished it. Delta 3 okay, delta 3 equal negative L2 plus L0 delta 2. We can calculate, my best teachers. It will be what? As L2 is gonna be 0. Why? Because look at this polynomial. We don't have the L2, so L2 is absolutely equal 0, and L3 and 4 and so on. Okay, so it will be L1. It will be negative L2 plus what? Plus L0 delta 2. Okay, so here L2 equals 0, so it will be what? It will be equal to, okay, so L0 equal what? In fact, equal 3. Delta 2 equal what? If we are going to, it's gonna be here, we can write 2. So it will be 3 times 2 equal 6. So this is delta 3. And we have delta 2. Then, can you, let's say, work out the sum of roots of this polynomial to the power 3? So first of all, you can write this as the following. First of all, try to write what? Write the sum of roots of powers, okay, of roots, okay. Of course, n equal 3 means to the power 3, okay. So it will be what? So first of all, L0 3Q equal what? Equal, first of all, it's gonna be into parentheses right here, parentheses. So it will be like this. Okay. So it will be what? It will be here parentheses, then write L0Q, yes, okay. Now this is Q, erase delta 2, and then put brackets or close the parentheses, and then okay, 2, then negative what? Negative, you can notice, first of all, how can you write 3? Is it okay, is it 1 plus 2? Correct, but delta 1 equals 0, so no need to write it. So what about 3? Is it 3 times 1? Yeah, very good. So I'm going to write negative 3 delta 3. Okay, I'm going to write delta 3. Okay, equal, if we are going to substitute now in L0Q and by 3 and delta 3 by 6, as here we have delta 3 equals 6 and delta L0Q equal 3. So it will be what? It will be into parentheses. I'm going to make this clear, and I'm going to paste equal L0 we told is gonna be equal 3, صح? So I'm going to write 3. Negative 3 times what? Times what? Times what, my best teachers? Yes, times 6. So this one equal what? Times 3 times 6 equal, so 9 minus, it will be 9, okay, it will be what? and of course it will be 3 because the order is gonna be 3. Okay, in the 3 I'm going to raise this, and this also is gonna be 3. Okay, minus 6 times 3, it will be 27, minus 18 is gonna be equal what? Equal 9. What do you think? Is it clear? Is it true or false? Okay, let's check. This is the first theorem of mine. Let's check the second theorem of mine. Okay, so L0Q, the second formula, I'm going to write it now. L03Q equal L0. I'm going to erase this. Then I'm going to use another. So it will be L0Q, yes, to the power 2. Okay. It will be what? L0 Q and 2Q, 2 times Q, okay, times what? Times, and copy, okay, times L1Q means L0Q, okay, then minus what? Minus L0Q, sorry, and the minus will be here, no, here, oh my god, okay, so minus what? Minus L0Q times, okay, L0Q times what? Times L1Q, okay, okay, minus what? This is 1, sorry, this is of course is gonna be times, plus 3 times L2Q, okay, L2Q, okay, but you can notice here, my best teacher, that L2Q is absolutely equal to 0. So it will be equal to what? This one. It will be equal to what? Equal, and then I'm going to raise 3 plus 3L2 because it's going to be equal to 0, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So this one equal what? L0 to Q equal what? Equal 5 times L0Q equal 3 negative L0Q equal 3 times L1 equal 2, so times 3 times 2 equal 15 minus 6 equal what? Equal 9. Is it the same as this? This one L0Q and this is L03Q and this is L0Q. Yani both theorems are correct. So let's check it. As you already know how to solve the following quadratic equation, you can evaluate or figure out the roots. Here you can see that the discriminant is going to be 9 minus 8 is going to be 1. 1 is going to be different to 0 and positive, let's say positive. So this quadratic equation has two distinct roots. Okay, so the first root is going to be 1, and the second y is going to be 1 because 1 the coefficient of x to the power 2 plus the coefficient of x to the power 1 plus the coefficient of x to the power 0 equal 0. 1 minus 3 plus 2 equals 0. Means what? Means alpha 1 equal 1. And then alpha 2 equal what? C over equal L1 divided by L minus 1 Q. So 2 divided by 1 equal 1. So the roots are what? Are 1 and 2. So let's check. 1. Okay. So here, you can write here. Okay. 1 to the power 2 let's here write 1 and make, yes, okay, 1 to the power 2 plus plus, okay, no problem, 1, move to equations, try to insert some symbols, so it will be 1, okay, 1 to the power 2, 3, sorry, because here 3, plus another time, try to insert this, plus 2 to the power, plus 2 to the power 3, it will be equal, it will be equal what? Equal 1 plus 8 is gonna be equal 9. So the formula is gonna be correct. Okay, now let's investigate in the other. Delta 4 equal what? Okay, so this is delta n in general, and we are going to see what can we do with delta 4 and 5 and 6 and so on. Okay, so here my best teachers, we are going to evaluate the formula and find out what, and find out the sums of roots of powers, of course, of the following quadratic equation. Okay, let's do it. Okay,